Hey everyone, welcome back to ITeePK. So there is a pretty serious problem going around the latest Windows 11 update, that is KB5067036, also known as a build number 262007019. If you already have installed this update, especially on the main release version, you might want to pay close attention to this video. Apparently, this update has introduced a strange issue with the task manager. Basically, when you open Task Manager, check something, and then close it using the X button, it doesn't actually closing completely. Even though it looks like gone, the process keeps running in the background. Do this few times, say 5 or 6, and every time a new hidden Task Manager process stays active, eating up your system's RAM. So while you think you have closed it, you are actually stacking up multiple instances that slowly start consuming your memory. You can test this easily. Open up a task manager, close it few times with the X button, and then search for task manager in the list of processes. You will notice several running at once, each taking memory that doesn't get released. It's almost like a small memory leak happening inside the Windows 11. Now, this doesn't seem to affect everyone, but a large number of users have reported it, so it's definitely real. Until Microsoft releases a patch, here's a simple workaround. Find the extra task manager processes, select them one by one, and click End Task. This will manually close all those background instances and free up your RAM. Honestly, this is a pretty disappointing slip from Microsoft, especially because this isn't some beta or insider build. This update roll out on the main public release of Windows 11. They've been adding tons of AI related features lately, but clearly some of these basic system checks are slipping through. Hopefully, Microsoft fixes this soon in the next cumulative update. So yeah, that's what's going on with the KB5067036 update. If you install it and test this issue, let me know in the comments if it's happening on your PC. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and turn on the notification because I will keep you updated as soon as Microsoft patches this or releases another update. Thanks for watching, stay safe and see you in the next one.